chatted with the former Justice Ascuna, he was also looking at it from a different point of view. Sabi niya, baka better na ng archive kasi if you archive, at least hindi siya yung... Kasi
outright dismissal.
Kasi kung if it's on the table lang, pwedeng bukas i-dismiss na yan. Or kamakalawa. Unlike an archive, you know that it's there and until there's a decision by the Supreme Court, it will just be there. Of course, that's his point of view. I understand he was also there yesterday sa inyong sa gallery.
I agree with the former Justice Ascuna. Definitely, mas okay na yung archive. We could live with that rather than it having been outright dismissed. Kaya lang nga napakahirap, napakataas ng hurdle na kailangang lampasan. And kung na-carry yung motion ni Minority Leader Soto na i-lay on the table, hindi rin naman agad-agad o madaling ma-dismiss outright yan. Dahil ang formulation po ng motion ni Minority Leader Soto ay lay on the table until the Supreme Court shall have ruled on the motions for reconsideration. So, iintayin pa rin yung moment na yon na magdesisyon ang Korte Suprema sa mga MR bago in fact, yung laying on the table ay yung motion to dismiss. So, kung inintay lang sana, kung hindi nagmadali, kung inintay yung desisyon ng Korte Suprema sa MR, babalik ulit dun sa moment na i-consider, i-debate, pagbotohan yung motion to dismiss.
Ma'am, I understand what you're trying to say. Na just because the fight is going to be hard doesn't mean that you're not going to fight at all. On the other hand, in the future, whether it's the immediate future or the medium-term future, how do you intend to change the voting? Kasi ngayon, linyado na eh. I mean, it's pretty clear right now. Sabi nga ni Ami, it's pretty clear right now. You have at least 19 people who are going to stand there or sit there and resist. And you can expect that number to more or less stay along those lines or around that range throughout. Whether it's to raise from the dead yung nasa archive or whether to convict or to acquit in the future. So that's going to be it's a huge number. How do you intend to go about?
Big mountain to climb. It's an up.
Well, aside from what I mentioned earlier na deliberative body kami, I think just as umaasa pa rin ako na tulad nung dati na ni-reverse nila ang sarili nila na pwedeng i-reverse ng Supreme Court ang ruling nila dito sa impeachment complaint. All the more, dapat may tiwala ako na posibleng makakumbinse pa ng mga dagdag na kasama dito sa Senado. In fact, going into the plenary debate yesterday, meron akong best number possible of from 9 to even 13, yung ganyang range, no? Hindi namin na-shoot yon, pero ibig sabihin, given yung iba't ibang factors at play, yung fluidity ng bawat sitwasyon, if there will be a continuation of this impeachment trial o kung magkakaroon ng bagong impeachment complaint, may mga factors na mananatiling pareho tulad kagabi, pero there may also be new factors that will come into play o mga factors na magpi-play in a different way. So, lagi kong babasahin ang bawat bago o medyo bagong arena with fresh eyes para makita kung may pagkakataon na yun, itaguyod yung prinsipyo ng accountability.
Senator, you think public opinion helps? Kasi marami alam niyo naman dito, kanya-kanya tayong opinion eh. Lahat ang iingay, Does it help? Nai-influensyan ba yung mga senador?
I think kahit kaming mga senador ay tulad ninong tao ay hindi manhid sa pakiramdam at sa tingin ng mamamayan. Kaya maraming salamat sa pagmamalasakit ng ating mga kababayan sa ganitong mga importanteng issue. Nakikita po namin kayo, naririnig po namin at nararamdaman kayo. And I mean not just yung ibang mga kasama namin sa na nagtatrabaho sa buong gobyerno. I mean especially yung mas maraming mga kababayan natin na nasa civil society at pati yung mga kababayan natin sa private sector, dahil lahat ay nag-oobserba sa ganitong mga importanteng kaganapan na may kinalaman sa accountability at saka sa good governance. So definitely please keep observing yung mga kaganapang ito sa Senado, and wag po kayong tumigil alam at iparamdam po sa amin ang inyong mga opinion dito.